Ebusiafo memo bibia kwaba de ba GCN page so mini ede adwoa searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell on so for more news. Lawyer Morris Ampao ede futu akọ ede ama oman penin dada John Dramani Mahama na efutu ben na lawyer ede ama ne sema okay na ne say ewiase ye womi bibia e wonembre enti se woye bibi na omre so a se wo hu se omra so na ope ba bitina na obi nso etoa so eti se enipe yembody na eti se machine woye adwuma a edu ba bi a se wo rest ana se woye adwuma akodu ba bi a se wo tena fie na obobra pa omofra ehwew semre no na edu ede ama omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama nenso eni brinti omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama se onte are still on the ose opese osanso edi omanpani na lawyer ekire se Ghana hanom ye kanipa oye ni briefo pa yentimi omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama enfim because from assemblyman to president ni na enso lawyer ekire se eye his excellency Nana Dankwa Ekufuado wabeye Ghana manpani ATS ya asun enya dia obebio anase nya de obeye adwuma bia akora bio okọ retirement okwakotene fie kakra because why adwuma abre enye president nkwa no wedi why ndwuma abre nti ese ogina hom ena afenso ye hwa yem player ba akọ Ghana hanom eye owura abedipele ono so obo a ohu se ne time aso no wakọ retirement ena afenso ono lawyer Morris Ampao no kwa aka 5 years pe ese okogina hom e wo fie ena ye hwekra eye Chief Justice owura Anim yeboa ono so wasoma ne mbraso se nkrofo obo wondi na ye nkrofo bia omo abesom oman Ghana omo mbraso a ese omo tenefi omanpenda da John Dramani Mahama nko ade ose ne time enso en na cheso so opese osanso be president na onemu na oto ayampia na nda sen ochena sei nti lawyer Morris Ampao HS omanpenda da John Dramani Mahama waye bia ye nkase waye bia to aso wabebo oman Ghana tena sei na de ese ofata no onsanso embra na esa ese enibre na eyo na opese obeye president nti no sesie to a wo na ma wuko ense ma beka bia enhwe kwem anasense ma beka bia emfa kwem eye ha na wo abe ha Ghana fu nti pe ba bitina na yeti nsema lawyer Morris Ampao ede etodwa.
As we speak right now, every presidential aspirant needs money to campaign. Scan film forever. Whatever the money they have made, they will use it. Internet politicians, when they retire, they are all miserable. Because omo amount for kwampaso enye sikano nyame dumi omo. You see nyame be dumi usikano. Into usikano to be fanya de papa bia da. This are every politician bia we are Ghana sika. Wabo be pool usikano. Obesa their share politics mu. Na be shit. We business na engineer. So you end up coming zero. That is the fact of life. Such people know I don't put my trust in politicians, but I see them say, "Only miserable people." That's why I don't even mingle with them. Enti mo amuti Ghana na mama nam na all pay to me at all costs enti no. And then mama dadam delegates no as if he's a savior. Mama is the savior. And oba and I'm a bar and I may your money ye. And mama no say nyame so the die mama campaign no say nyame so the die no nyame ye no mama no president mama yi nyame fimu na o pa otumi a kopa otumi ma yi nyame fimu nyame so wo die bia president mama God, I don't reveal anything to you because you are not on the agenda of God. Nyame opon waduma one from assembly member to president. Do you think God is greedy? Do you think that God doesn't have a lot of people to continue? Everybody, I've been telling my boy, I'm a retirement. Everybody be a retirement. Everybody in life, no. There comes a time you have to retire. As we speak right now, 4th May. Now the Chief Justice is retiring. Brilliant, competent Chief Justice, Emile Yeboah, is retiring. with all the goodies and the knowledge in law, and what helped to shape the legal profession, the contribution to the judiciary, building of courts, transforming the courts, putting in place structures and systems to ensure a full and credible judiciary. What I say, the way why investing in ITC, putting systems in place, his time is up. He's going. Before time do you know occur. Mama, when I say, at time do you know friend? Everybody will retire. Means I can be 5 years to go on retirement. My 5 years time will be 60 years. So I'll retire. I cannot continue to be here forever. God is preparing another lawyer Morris Ampa. God is preparing another person who will come and do more exploits. Everybody biara me 55 years. Ghana at 100. Now where they are. Wow, Shame. Ghana at 100. Now me konam 90 years. Now we say 90 years. We to betna. Abekasa. Mimne chum. Na nipa de mobokra na nipa mobokra uti obiasia na jeoyasu na politicians so mo mobo. Ghana politicians mun hua hwe wa babomu. Mu mans wuye no. Man hua hwe fi mans abrabomu.
And in fact, we've seen videos upon videos people less privileged people and under no circumstance beating me acquaintances. Every year any scholarship, some may know because if you were London, if you were United States, can't get it in another through the free SHS. But so fight it here. In fact, also on the bar, how do you call it? Pan. Now they are quite yet kaya you. Ubi be diga. Now they are no answer soon. Now they are cost to. This is the future this man had for you. Now, all the mamo attire. At least ne baby or tron habade. Mon suggest man say how the unfan a ban back no man attire no. Mon suggest mama hama say attire and what the bema gun and mobran. I say ya, baby or no tron abano de unfan and ban back no attire no. How can you be that wicked? Nansenya kwemu don't domani mahama. Your Excellency, former president, Obe Kachre say, Odi Oba Mochre. Ye be wuye until Ubesi Mochre de Amaye. Ghana for say we don't want or see young Quachechechenkora, young fat electoral commission, young good hoofing, young coma cron for any cronon coso, so that our man will be near to make the certain government at them. I mean, which political party be a sebi or what in the right state of mind anybody else are doing. And the sad things we talk again. People can say they are the same, they are never the same. MPP and NDC can never under any circumstance